Previously on Nora G's Nook, I showed you how I used these bamboo skewers from the Dollar Tree as well as this cardboard to create some beautiful wall decor. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out right after today's video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Nora G and today I'll be using these braid ropes from the Dollar Tree to create some beautiful decor, home decor. So if you're interested in this kind of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also to hit that like button. At the end of this video, let me know which color was the best for you. Meanwhile, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you will need some Dollar Tree foam board like the one I currently have, or you could substitute with some cardboard and obviously some braid ropes like the ones I just showed you from the start of this video. These are inexpensive, strong ropes that you can find at most Dollar Tree stores. Okay, you also need some paint, spray paint, brushes of foam or cloth to actually paint over, and any other decorative materials you would like. But for this particular DIY, we're keeping it simple, so it's just foam board and our ropes. So the first step to this was me cutting out circles. As you can see, I'm using different sizes, using my plates to create different sizes. So I'll have 5 different circles, 2 of the same size, 1 large, 1 medium, and 1 small. Okay, so you could use any of these 3 items to cut out your circles. I choose to use the X-Acto knife because I'll have to cut a center part as well in the middle, as you will see me do later on in this video. So, and it's easy to do so using an X-Acto knife. Just watch as I do this. So for the middle part, I didn't want that center part to be too wide, so I'm using this mirror from the Dollar Tree as well to actually trace out the area which I want cut. So at this point, you could choose to actually replace this with a mirror instead of making it hollow like I choose to do so for this video, okay, and make it a wall mirror. But I feel like I've done one too many wall mirrors on this channel if you've been following me, which I'm still going to be doing a lot more, to be honest with you, but I just wanted something different this time, so we'll be making the center part hollow. So just watch as I complete this. As you can see, it's easy to use the X-Acto knife to cut out the center part versus using a scissors or the electric cutter. So this particular DIY today was inspired by a Pinterest picture which I have on the screen right now. So I decided to do an inexpensive version using strong ropes from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so the one I found on Pinterest was about $165 and change from what I saw, but we're going to be doing our own version today, which is actually under $50, under $25 actually, to be honest. So yeah. So the next step would be for us to wrap the braid rope around our foam board piece or a piece of cardboard as a substitute if you want to. You can use any color of rope you like I'm currently using green, red, and yellow, even though I'm going to paint over it at some point. But I recommend using multiple colors to create a more interesting design, especially if you do not intend to paint over the rope. Also, you could use a single color of rope if you're looking to matching some particular design in a room or space. You could use just one color and that will look just as good, or many or multiple colors, like I said, to create a more interesting design. Alright, so I'm using my hot glue to actually put this together. I also do recommend, if you want to use a stronger adhesive, you could actually have Mod Podge over your foam board or your cardboard, depending on which base you choose to go with, and then still have the hot glue over it on the top for a stronger hold over time. at the towards the end of this, once I'm done with doing all 5 of them, I will actually be applying Mod Podge over it, and I'll explain why as we continue watching. I really love how this green rope looks like, and they look very sturdy. The rope in itself is very strong. That's why they're called braided ropes, because they're actually braided together firmly so that it can actually it doesn't break easy. Okay, so I love the pattern that this gives when you put this in a circle like you can see me do right now. To attach a continuation like I just did, it closes in very well and very smoothly, so you would not even notice that there was a break point at some point in your design, which is one thing I love these braid ropes for. Okay, so this took me roughly an hour to do all 5 of them, and that's because I did take multiple breaks in between. So yeah, it is actually a quick and easy DIY to do to actually glam up a space. So finally, at the tip, you just want to add some extra rope to go a little bit overboard the foam board or your cardboard, just so it actually has a good finish. And because this rope, when you cut it off, doesn't leave out any excesses, it doesn't kind of like undo itself. That makes it very easy, but I also choose to seal it in using my hot glue. So this is what it looked like once I was done. The back part, I'm going to use double-sided tape or some adhesive strips to actually put them on the wall. Now let's carry on with doing the second one. I'll be using the red ropes for this one. And once again, if I didn't mention this before, when you're starting off, you want to start on the inside. Because if you just start on the inside down below, let me put it that way, right? Because if you do not cover that area, it's going to show, your work is going to show unfinished and not very neat. So you want to start down below before you come up top, like I just did right now, and then you work your way from there on. Are you still watching? Well guys, you already know what's coming. So yeah, if you've been on this channel for a while now, you know what's coming. So please, if you've watched right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment braid ropes in the comment section and show your girl some love. That's how I get to chit chat with you all. So if you're new here, well, you're welcome, and would love to have you here. So do please comment braid ropes down below and ask me any questions you have, and I'll be more than happy to chit chat with you all. Thank you. Okay, so although I'm doing just 5 of these circles, if you want to make your design even more elaborate, you could choose to do additional circles. You could do 7, 10, 12, that's up to you. All right, in different shapes and sizes, or different sizes but all circles. Okay, so that's your prerogative. I am just giving you a guide as to what you could do with these ropes. Okay, so I'll go ahead to do the third one as well, this time using the yellow ropes. Moreover, you can also add any additional decorations or accessories to your design, such as buttons, beads, embellishments, to create a more intricate design. But like I had said from the start of this video, I'm keeping this simple. I just wanted to actually be very, very simple. I'll be giving this one away to a friend, and looking at how her space is like, we just decided to keep this really simple and straight to the point. Oh, and by the way, I'm originally from Cameroon, and I just realized that the 3 colors in that particular order, green, red, and yellow, is actually our flag, the flag of Cameroon, guys. But yeah, I'm going to show you how this looks like without any paint whatsoever, and also the final look and what we finally decided to go with. I would also like to know your thoughts on which color was the best at the end of this video, so please stick with me. One thing I love about this particular DIY It's not just the fact that it is high-end looking, but also the fact that it is very easy and quick to make, and it's something that you can do as a family with your kids, your grandkids. You can come together and do this and, you know, gift them away or make it as a project to sell. Trust me, guys, you will love the finished look. So I will go ahead to use Mod Podge over it to prime it and also to give it that shine, so that when I paint over it, the paint is going to come out, like it's going to shine brighter and really clear. Okay, so make sure to prime this with a glossy Mod Podge. I'll go ahead to do so for all 5 of them. Just watch as I do this. Make sure to use a generous amount of Mod Podge over this, because this rope is technically fabric, so when you paint over it or spray paint over it, it kind of soaks in. But when you put Mod Podge over it and let it cure overnight, it kind of forms a kind of protective film over it, which makes your paint stick on better. So I will go ahead now to use my paint, the spray paint and chalk paint, to paint over them. And this is what it looks like. So this is what it all looked like before I did any kind of painting on it. I really loved the colors, and if I had a colorful room, I'd definitely be keeping that in there. And here we have it in black. I loved how this looked like in black, and then I also had it in gold. Please do let me know in the comment section which of these was your favorite, if you would prefer it in gold, black, or all the 3 colors, or black and gold combined together, as I'm gonna show you right now. So please do let me know which option was your favorite. Comment below. And there you have it, a high-end looking wall art or wall decor that you can make with Dollar Tree braid ropes. These ropes may seem cheap at first, but they can be incredibly versatile and can be used to create a wide variety of designs. So go ahead and give it a try. You won't be disappointed. So finally, once your design is complete, you can hang it on the wall using some thin rope or adhesive strips that you can find at the Dollar Tree as well. I actually used double-sided tape for this to actually hang them on the wall, since I was moving them about and changing the colors, just to show you guys what it looks like in different colors. You could also do white. Alright, so please do comment below which of these was your favorite. Is it black? Is it gold? Is it the colorful, or is it black and gold? Out of the 4, please do comment below which one you liked the most. We actually settled for gold, which was the final color I used on there. So yeah. And one last tip is, if you're looking to spray painting this gold or silver, I recommend you first of all spray paint it or paint it black or white before you do any metallics over it. That way the shine comes out even way better than you just spray painting gold over the colored ropes. Well guys, that will bring us to the end of today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.